Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. In today's video, I will show you how to do screen mirroring to your laptop to directly to your phone. Whether you are using Windows 10 or 11 to your Android mobile. So these methods work perfectly, so let's get started. So first, let's talk about what you need. A laptop, either it's Windows 10 or 11, and a smartphone, and it should be an Android. Okay, for iPhone I will show another video, so you can go and check it out. For screen mirroring on your laptop to Android, first search wireless display. Here you can see connect wirelessly. Our desktop screen mirror start. Now go to your Android mobile screen. On the home page you can see screencast. Here you can see it has provided my desktop device name, desktop GUFKBF4. Just connect here, select and start. And one thing, make sure guys, your Wi-Fi should be same on both the devices. Here you can see my Wi-Fi name is JioFiber and on my phone is different. So make same Wi-Fi connection, then try. Okay, so now again you can try. Go on the home screen, select screencast, start. Yeah, as you can see guys, after changing the Wi-Fi network, my Android screen is enabled to screen on my laptop. As you can see, I can access whatever I want. I can watch YouTube, Reels, movies, whatever we want. Yeah, so this is a simple trick guys to share your screen via laptop to Android. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel and click that bell icon. Thanks for watching.